In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a button on card.co. This is the 2025 updated tutorial, and I'm here to guide you through each step to ensure you can seamlessly add interactive buttons to your card website. Whether you're creating a digital portfolio, a landing page, or a personal site, knowing how to add a button is essential for enhancing user navigation and engagement. First, let's start by heading over to the card.so website. Here, you will need to log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll have to create it first, which is quite straightforward and quick. Logging in will take you to your main dashboard. The dashboard is where all your card sites are compiled, making it easy to manage or create a new one when necessary. After accessing your dashboard, your next step will be to open the card editor for the site you want to modify. Simply select the site you plan to work on and the editor will be right at your fingertips. This is where all the magic happens. Once inside the editor, you'll see a toolbar that's designed to help you modify your site's layout. Now take a look at the toolbar and find the plus sign. This is your add element button. Clicking on it will display several options, and from these you should select button. This action will integrate a button element into your site. Now it's time for some customization, a crucial step in making your button fit both the aesthetic and functional aspects of your site. Let's start by thinking about the text the button will display. Consider what action-oriented label fits best with its function, such as get started or learn more. It's important for the text to be clear, concise, and inviting. Next, you should direct your attention to the link options. Here you have the flexibility to set a URL where the button will lead users. Alternatively, if you want the button to serve an internal navigation purpose, you can configure it to scroll to another section within your page, allowing for smooth transitions and interaction. Lastly, we tweak the aesthetics. The colors you choose for the button are more than just preferences. They convey your brand's identity. Adjust the background color and decide on the hover and label colors. Aim for contrast between the background and the text so that the button stands out while ensuring it complements the rest of your site's design. And there you have it, a button all set up and ready to enhance your card site's functionality and user engagement. Remember, the key to a great website is not just in its content, but also in how users interact with it. Playing around and experimenting with different settings can yield wonderful results, so don't hesitate to explore various layouts and styles.